In this video, we'll be going on a very short one. So in this video, I want to show you how to solve a system of linear equations with 3 variables using your calculator. Without wasting much time, let's get the work done. So in solving a system of linear equations with 3 variables using your calculator, when you turn on your calculator, it's in the normal math mode. So to solve equation with your calculator, we first go to the equation mode. So to go to the equation mode, you press your mode button and you go to equation. So we have equation at number 5 here. So we press 5 to go to our equation mode. Since we are dealing with system of linear equations with 3 variables, so that means we'll be going with number 2 here because we have the variable x, y, and z there. The an, bn, cn, and dn we have here, they are constants, they stand for constant. So our variables here are x, y, and z. Assuming we are dealing with equations with 2 variables, we are going to use the first one. But since we are dealing with 3 variables, we are using the second one. So we press 2. Now it's time to enter our values. So for A, we have, this is standing for A, this is standing for B, this is standing for C, and this is standing for D. They are our constants. So A here we have 2. We press enter, which is equal to. Then B is -3. Press equal to. C is 3, which is the coefficient of Z. And D is our constant at the other side of the equation. We have 10. In the second line, we have 5 as our first constant. Then we have 2. And we have -2. Also, we have 6 as the constant at the other side of the equation. Now in the third line, we have -3 as the coefficient of x. We have 4 as the coefficient of y. And we have 6 as the coefficient of z. So we also have 36 at the other side of the equation. Now, when we are done with filling in all the equations, we press equal to. So to get the answers for our x, y, and z, press equal to once more. Now, from this equation, our x is 2. To get y is 3, and z is 5. In my next video, I will show you how to solve this kind of equation using MATLAB. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give your reactions in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video. I will see you in the next video.